how to get the cumulative sum of salary using Informatica Power Center. First of all, we have a employee table. You can see that the employee table, we have employee ID, and the right side have a employee salary information. So these are the two information we have, but the output we are just looking for the cumulative sum information. That means in red in circle you can see which is actually the cumulative sum of salary. Means when you it is the first record have 24,000, the second record it just summation of the first two record like 24,000 and 17,000 give the 41,000. Similar to that, like the third record should has a 58,000, which is actually the summation of the first three record 24,000, 17,000 and again 17,000. This will give. So similar to that, we are just looking for the output similar to this one, which is actually called as a cumulative sum. So we have a two approach. Like we can use the SQL query in info, like using the SQL query we can just write a SQL query and we can get this information. But same can be achieved through the Informatica Power Center. Like we have to just write some logic in during mapping creations and we can get it. So let's get it like using SQL query. So this is the query, like select employee ID, then salary. This is kind of analytical functions we have to use it, like sum of salary over order by employee ID, which is called as a cumulative sum of salary from employee. So we can just use this query and we can just get the output similar to this one, employee ID, salary and cumulative sum salary. Now same can be achieved through the Informatica Power Center. So in Informatica Power Center we have to use the expression transformation, and inside the expression transformation this is the two step which is actually need important. Like we have to just create a variable, and this variable should have a value of like same variable plus salary. And now again we need an output variable means output, and it will just assign the variable. So this will give the cumulative sum of salary. So this is the two approach. Let's check the first one. Like we already have a query. Here you can see that this is the analytical function to use to get the cumulative sum of information. So here we have an employee table. The first column is employee ID, and here we have a salary information. Let's execute the query. Yeah, you can see that the first column like employee ID, salary, and here we have a cumulative sum of the salary. So we can get it very easily through the SQL query, but same thing we need to achieve through the Informatica Power Center. So let's create one new mapping and let's see how to do that one. Okay, yeah, here under the mapping we have to just create a new mapping. So go to the mapping sections, create a new mapping, just write it like in some salary. This is the mapping. Now yeah, here it is. Now go to the source. Here is the source is employee. Okay, now there is expression transformations. Here it is, get all the column. Now in the expression transformation at the end we have to create a column, two more column. So here it is. So first we will just create a variable cumulative salary, and it will be a number field, so just decimal. Now this will be not an input, this will be a variable. So here it is, and what will the variable value should be? It's just a same thing, variable plus salary. Here it is. Let's validate. It's working fine. Yeah, it is fine. Now again we have more column which is actually output. So what will be the output? Cumulative salary. This is again a decimal, and this is output, not an input. So yeah, here it is. And now this will be a variable. So where it is? Yeah, here it is. No, not this one. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, variable. Yeah, it's fine. Validate expression. Yeah, got it. Okay, that's done. Now output. So output is a target table. So in Oracle we have already a table. This is the cumulative. As of now this table does not have any data. So let's bring this table in Informatica. Yeah, we have to just bring it here. So come to the target section, target import database, and we need here it is target. Okay, yeah, here it is. There's a table, so this is the table actually. Click OK. Yeah, the table got okay. So let's bring this table in the mapping section. So now we have three column only at the output, so just link this three column to the output, and the last one is cumulative sum of salary. Yeah, this thing, let's save it, arrange all. Yeah, very small means we have to just add only two column, cumulative salary, which is a variable, and the output. Very small thing we have to do it. Let's generate a workflow. Here it is, so it's got created here. Let's connect here. Yeah, this is the workflow got created. Under the session, we have to just small change we have to do, just to need to check whether the database connection is there or not. So this is the source, so just change to the source, and this is the target. Yeah, it's already there. And small changes under the loading property, so it should be a normal. It's insert, no update, no delete. Yeah, that's it. How to do it? Okay, apply. Okay, save it, and then run the job. Okay, yeah, here it is running. It's got succeeded. So total 10 source record count and the target count. Here it is. Oh, let's refresh this. Yeah, here we can hit. So we can see that the first one 24. So in this way we can get a cumulative sum of salary information in a new column. So yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone.